third ride together with our Vespa friend. And ito, isa na to, si Joseph Santos. Oh, actually legendary na si Joseph. Ayan. So far, like I said earlier, we did a one big turn, no?
Bali, mga ka-ride and drive, magandang hapon, no? So, nagsimula kami kaninang umaga, syempre, ang meeting place sa Pugon. Umakyat kami na Sierra, sa Katrina, and then went down Sampaloc, then via Morong and Teresa. Dire-diretso kami, umakyat kami papalik sa Antipolo. And makikita naman ninyo, no, sa mga videos, mga footages, yung ride natin. Kasama natin yung mga best friends.
And of course, no, thank you kay Joseph na para siyang tourist guide kanina. He took us to places na overlooking, no?
Actually, tayo, matagal-tagal na rin tayong nagpapaikot-ikot dyan sa Sierra and Marilake, no? And we're surprised with the places na pinuntahan natin kanina na
we've never been there.
Yeah, lalo yung mga overlooking sites, and then stops, places to eat. With regards to places to eat, yung bagong discovery natin.
And there's 2 branches pa, no? Galing. Dinaanan natin yung 2 branches na yun.
Actually, kasama natin yung big box na Buffalo.
Yes. So, unfortunately, medyo camera shy. That's why he had Joseph.
Pang-action lang daw siya, pang-action.
Oo, that's why si Joseph na lang daw ang kanyang spokesperson.
Yun, Sir Joseph, so gaano katagal na kayong magkasama nila Sir Louis? Kaya alam mo pa na-discover yung
Buffalo kasi and yung din nag-meet yung mga Vespa boys eh, so hanggang kinaran nila yung hotdog then they transfer him to Marikina. Ito na, Buffalo niya yung name after that.
And then, aside from Marikina, pinuntahan natin yung isang branch nila.
Meron silang pabubuhat lang which is Antipolo.
The reason why we're telling about it kasi may iba naman na place na pwede mo punta when you're in Antipolo. Alam mo naman yung mga kapwa motor natin, pumapasyal kadalasan na Sierra or Antipolo, kumbaga, minsan nagkasawa rin sa pinuntahan niya.
Actually, not just for riders, even for car people, no? Kasi the Buffalo, I noticed na may parking, very good parking.
Saka ano yun, you with the quality of food kanina, no? Makikita yung footages natin, medyo padyain mo.
Exactly, and can you imagine, si Joey dapat, diet na daw. Pero wala
na pakain na palaban. And because of the food that we had kanina, no? We really had to come here sa main branch nila in Marikina. And since parang nag-start pa lang yata yung before, ito naman yung branch na dito sa Marikina, which is just along
the main road of Fernando.
It's a very popular spot, talagang pinupuntahan, no? Medyo lalo pag weekend, parang wait to be seated na dito.
Right. And then, Joey, kung mapapansin mo, somewhere out there, yung, I think, ribs nila, no? They cook it outdoors.
Yun yung pamatay nila dito, yung rib.
Yeah, and they make the homemade ice cream.
Yeah. Hindi lang rib, the buffalo wings. Tatandaan mo yan, yung red, yung hindi masyado manga, yung yellow, yung manga. Okay. Okay.
Alright. So, I guess, no, Joey, we found a new discovery na naman. And siguro, makakalimutan na yung diet niya next week or something.
Anyway, we had fun for this first ride of the year. Not just up Sierra, this time it was like up, down, and around. And ended up here.
Literally.
Yeah, ended up here at Buffalo. And of course, kasama natin si Sir Joseph and Pilipinas.
Ride and drive.